We understood the importance of herbal medicines during the global pandemic like COVID. When other modern medicines failed, only the herbal plants stood and saved our life. Hi, I'm Dr. S. Anandhi, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Floriculture and Landscape Architecture. I have been associated with SRM since 2019. Only 22% of the plants are being commercially cultivated by the farmers. The rest are being sourced from the forest or in the wild areas. So first the potential plant should be identified and it should be conserved, for which we should study the medico-ethnobotanical studies. That is the first one, and then it should be propagated and it should be brought in cultivation of the crops. If you see the medicinal plants cultivation in Tamil Nadu, glory lily stands first, because Tamil Nadu is a monopoly in production of glory lily, which is used for the treatment of gout, which is prevalent in European countries. The major problem we are facing with the medicinal crop cultivation is the marketing, because unlike other crops, we cannot directly market the produce. Only the pharmaceutical company should come forward to take the produce from the farmers, because it cannot be consumed as such. It should undergo various processing steps and it should be converted into the medicines. Only then it can be taken by the medicinal industries. Being an educational institute, maintaining the botanical garden with different types of medicinal plants, which will act as a repository for future research and teaching. The botanical gardens and the medicinal gardens at our campus are being maintained by the undergraduate students. Once after developing the crops in the botanical gardens, they will be taking up key research in the potential crops.